Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am really happy about this one because you guys know glitter and sparkly things just completely distract me in the best way possible. So we're going to be talking about new glittery, sparkly launches. I recently have gone out and gathered a bunch of things myself. I've also received a ton of things that had me just being like, ooh, oh, wow. And a lot of this stuff I have worn. The lip products I have used already, like traveling. One of them I took with me to the Taylor Swift concert. So you know that's true love right there. Oddly enough, I can't find it online. So I think that this glittery one that I'm about to chat about with you guys first is not available yet. I can't find it. I cannot find it anywhere. Anyway, it is called the Glittergasm. And I really, really love this product. I have seen so many, glitter top coat, shiny top coat, lip topper type things that are very metallic. This is the first one that I ever saw that was just like straight gooey glitter. And that sounds kind of gross, but it's like the best. Like it's so good. I'm just gonna have to swatch for you guys straight away so you understand how incredible this is. That's the brand name, oh my God. This used to be a nail polish brand exclusively, and I think a year ago they started releasing makeup items, and everything they release is kind of different and has a little bit of an edge to it. They do carry this brand at Sephora, but it transfers better on the lips itself. Hold on. I'm gonna try and build it up on my hand so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna try it on my lips. Okay, so I hope that this is showing up, but what you get is this very thick gel gloss that has actual glitter bits in it. So it's a clear base. There is no metallic coloring to it. It is just whatever color you choose. That's the glitter effect that you get. So I have 4 of them here. And earlier today, I was wearing this one. It is called Right There, and it's more kind of silvery, like it has like a silvery fall vibe to it. I really, really love this. And then I went and ate like a big, huge burger for lunch and completely got makeup all over my face and messed everything up. And I was like, okay, let's kind of switch gears before I sit down and film again and play with a different shade. I'm gonna try on the shade Bring an Open Mind. I'm just gonna blot off what I have going on, which honestly is like 5 different things. I am wearing the Tarte Lip Lingerie in the shade Undressed. I also am wearing Vacay from Tarte. I was kind of just like playing with the makeup as I usually do during the day, and this is kind of where I landed. So blotting that off, I'm gonna put this one on right now so that you guys can see the magic in action. Immediately, can you see like all of that glitter? It's the craziest thing to me because this is not a normal lip topper. Okay, so if you can see how it completely transformed the bottom lip, I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna put the red one on top so that we can get a little variety and see actual try-on swatches. But this one is what I wore to the Taylor Swift concert. I did a red lip. I think I used the Fenty liquid lipstick and then this on top of it, and it was so pretty. I felt like my lips were just like perfect that night. So that was the combo, and this one is just so nice. I think this one is my favorite. You do have to really like work at it to like layer it on. But I just think this is so pretty and so different. It is not like anything else that I own, so I had to chat about that with you guys. Again, I don't think this is available yet, so hold tight. I hope it's available very, very soon. Hopefully by the time this is up, it is available, but I like straight away started trying it out, fell in love, and wanted to chat about this with you guys. So Incredible also is never terribly expensive, It's like not like up there like Tom Ford or anything like that. Like it's more than drugstore, but not a whole lot more. None of this that I'm talking about today is sponsored, so let's, I love my glitter, and I'm probably gonna talk very favorably about a lot of things, but none of it is sponsored. So they also have these guys right here. The only one that I think is super cute out of these, and I'll explain why, like this is cute, right? It has a heart, like metallic, and a jelly balm. They're kind of hard to put on, and they feel weird because it has like a little heart that's like raised, and when you put it on, it just feels, I don't know, I just don't really like it. This one is kind of cute and cool. It's like a holographic jelly balm. You actually do get like the tiniest little bit of holographic, or I don't think they're holographic, I think that's lies. Like iridescent glitter. Either way, it just puts this teeny tiny bit of glitter on your mouth. It is moisturizing and balmy, and it's not like thick and chunky, like it's a ton of glitter everywhere. So I think this is actually really cute and fun. The other ones, don't love them. Okay, so I wanna hop into something for the face and the body. So this is from Cover FX, and you guys saw recently that I got rid of the kind of more violet iridescent version of this. This is the glitter drops from Cover FX. They finally came out with one that packs that like glittery punch that is more of a neutral tone. And I love this so much. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I feel like heart attack from the burger I ate at lunch. Oh my gosh, you guys, do you ever eat lunch and like afterward you feel like, why did I do this to myself? And now I'm just like, like I need a nap. Oh my God. Where were we? We need to put some of this on the body. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I'm really leaning on the edge of insanity with the amount of sparkle and glitter that I have on my face already. So yeah. What's a little more, right? Not gonna hurt anybody, except for my white couch. Yeah. So I'm just gonna like dab this on here. I just wanna show you guys, like, oh my God. This is probably way too much. You don't need a lot of this product, but it will make your skin glow in a way that you have never experienced. It is so pretty. It's kind of like a more liquid form of the Fenty, how there's like not really a base to it. Oh my gosh, that's kind of my theme right now, that I'm liking these products that don't have a colored base, where it's just kind of the glitter itself giving you the glow. I really, really love that. So what I'm wearing for my highlight today is actually the new Fenty highlight, this one right here. I am obsessed with this. This is one of the very best highlighters that I have ever come across. It is called How Many Carats, and I love that it's just the glitter. Like there's no color to it whatsoever. So it really, you know, can be worn on its own. It can be worn to, you know, intensify another highlighter that you might already have. I just super, super love it. And what I have on the body right now is kind of a similar vibe, a different color of the actual glimmer, but there's not much of a base to it. I like it so, so much. All right, so those are my two kind of highlight body type items that are very sparkly and good. Moving on, MAC came out with these little guys right here. They are more see-through, less intense, sparklier versions of the Stila Magnificent Metals. That's kind of the vibe that I am getting from them. They're really, really pretty. I'm wearing this shade right here, Blinking Brilliant. I'm wearing this right on the inner corner today, right here. Now these on their own actually are pretty sheer. So I'm gonna show you. Like I just swatched that right here, and you can see it's not super, super opaque or intense, nor is this shade Not Afraid to Sparkle or Diamond Crumbles. These are not my absolute #1 favorites. Like this is not going to replace my love for any of the Magnificent Metal liquids. Like this one right here, I'll show you in comparison, is just more metallic, more foiled, and has a little more pigment to it. So again, we're talking about having a clear base versus having color in the base and the differences. So for highlight and for the body and for the lip, when we're talking about straight glitter, I like that. When we're talking about the eyes, I love having a little extra base so that it covers more and gives a little more of a punch. But not everybody wants that. So, you know, you got to think of the look that you're going for. You got to think, are you going to go all over the lid with something like this and just have that be it, and have it just kind of be this angelic, simple kind of glitter moment that is going to be very budge proof and just kind of like a kiss of sparkle? Or are you going for full sparkle? We all crave different things, and that's totally okay. So these stay on very well. They're very long wearing. They're great for the inner corner. I love using them for that. But they're not as intense of a glitter is what I would reach for over and over, but that doesn't make these bad. Moving on, I already talked about these in a recent video of underrated products, and these are definitely underrated. I'll show you some more colors, just kind of like while we're here. I mean, oh my God, look at that, right? Okay, so these are from Pop Beauty, and that was Black Dazzle. I'll also show you Cosmic Confetti. Just really, really pretty, really metallic, really sparkly. So if you want like full-blown Holo sparkly eyes, then this will do it for you. Like, look at that. And they are very, very budge proof. They're not crumbly the way some of the other products similar to this can be, but you do want to be careful to not scratch your eye, rub your eye, because it will move around and kind of flake off. So I would avoid doing that, but if you leave them alone, they will wear beautifully for a very, very long time. So heads up with that. I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. The one thing with this glitter lip gloss is you definitely can feel it a little bit. Not as bad as if you were to take straight glitter and like do the pat, pat, pat on top of like a liquid lipstick, which is a great technique to do for a holiday event or for Halloween, or if you're dressing up. That is such a beautiful look, but it is really annoying, and like glitter can kind of get everywhere. So it doesn't feel that intense, but I definitely can feel it right now. I'm always looking for like every little thing that I can share with you guys while I'm doing these kind of like rundown reviews. So yeah, anyway, something that I am wearing on my eyes today that says it is glitter, but is not glitter, is from Flutter Lashes. You guys know I've kind of like had this thing with like their new lashes. I'm wearing them again today. I think I will keep wearing this style, Lovable, over and over and over and over until they stop making them, because it's just like the perfect lash for me. I really, really love them. Anyway, so speaking of Flutter Lashes and things that are great from this brand, they started making makeup, which I hadn't seen before. They'd only done lashes in the past. So they started making this liquid eyeshadow. It says it's a glitter liquid eyeshadow. I strongly disagree. I don't think it should have been called that, because it is pretty much a straight metallic liquid eyeshadow. However, these are beautiful and they wear so well. So I don't think this is a bad product. I just think it's not the greatest name. Isn't that gorgeous? They dry down very, very smooth. They don't dry down sticky, tacky, or weird. And other shadows layer beautifully on top of these. So if you're looking to make a dramatic statement look and you need a base that is metallic like this, and you want to work with other products on top of it, this is such a nice item. I really, really love them. I'm wearing the shade Penny today, kind of as my base. I started out just with like a nice rich brown in the crease, built that up, and then I put Penny all over my lid before I went in with any other glitter or anything like that. And then there is one lone bright shade. This is called Flower Power. So it's like neutrals, smoky bronzes, and then all of a sudden it's like bright pink. This one I don't like as much. I always think like metallic pinks end up looking really chunky. So out of the four, this is the one that I don't like. The other three are so gorgeous and very helpful with, like I said, layering glitters on top, different colors on top, because they just make everything adhere. They're very crease proof, budge proof, and I think these are really, really well done. Okay, so actually I like them more than the Magnificent Metals liquid metallics. Is that what they're called? It's like the metallic straight no glitter version of the Magnificent Metals of this one. The formula on that one sometimes skips and has some bald patches when you apply it. These ones have none. So yeah, I like it better. Okay, moving on. Pop Beauty has gone and done a little palette like this, and these glitters, we're gonna put some more on right now. I really wanna put this like green kind of right in the center, and what I want to do is show you how this type of a glitter where everything is already meshed together works so beautifully. You really don't have to do much. So you can really like transform and change any look that you like very, very simply. You don't need a ton of product. It stays put. My girlfriend, Michelle, she went with me to see Taylor Swift, and she just wanted like a tiny bit of glitter on, and I showed her these in a different palette by Pure, And I gave her the palette because she was like, that was so easy and it stayed on all night and it didn't get on my face. It's pressed in a way where it has enough stickiness to it that it adheres to your lid, but it's not waxy. And like some of these in the past were too waxy and they were just goopy. Like NYX had one, Wet n Wild had one, and it was kind of popular, but people didn't like the formula. I was kind of included in that vocal bunch. And this year I have seen this type of a thing pop up more than ever. And I think it's really, really great. Okay, so Pure, like I was mentioning, has this anniversary palette, which I don't like because it's literally, it's so giant and unnecessary, but this was for an anniversary collection. But what I want to point out is that they have the same kind of a thing going where you have those glitters and they are just so gorgeous. I love these. Like, I think it's so easy. I think anyone can work with these. I think that you can build them up or make them be very, very sheer, and I can't get enough. I really, really can't. I think they're the best. So let me walk you through my look very, very quickly before we jump into a few more items. So for today's look, I started out with this palette right here. I went into this shade, Fulfilled, and I built it up. I kind of went back and forth and back and forth and built and built and built. Tilted my brush on the outer edge, built, buffed, buffed. And then I went all over the lid with Penny. Once I had that laid down, I did a slight buffing of the edges to make sure that my crease was still defined, that those outer corners were still defined. And then I went into this shade right here from Marc Jacobs. Now this is their new sequins pressed pigments. These are really, really pretty as well. I wanted to show you guys a few of these. This is so stunning. If you like pressed pigments, this is like one of the best because it's a pressed pigment, but it also has micro glitter in it. So it's extremely reflective, extremely brightening, and this shade right here is so stunning. So I went in with that. I did go back into the Pure palette and I took Inspired and I just tapped that kind of halfway out. So I kind of just went back and forth layering between the Marc Jacobs pressed pigments and the glitter, and ultimately I went in really hard with the glitter once more, and I think I just finally was like step back away from it all and be done, and I popped on some lashes and called it good. So I kind of mixed everything together. But I guess the point of this video right here is to share with you guys that there are new highlighter options out there that are really exciting. The one from Fenty and then the new one from Cover FX. And then we are seeing this kind of a brand new lip topper, which I have never seen anything like this before, pre-mixed with straight glitter as a gel gloss. So stunning. You now have an option that is more subdued from the Magnificent Metals that is just straight glitter, and that is from MAC, and those are pretty great. If you like the full wow factor, go to the drugstore, pick up these guys from Pop. You will not be disappointed. And if you've been curious and you've seen any of these newer palettes that have this kind of a thing going on, and you wonder if that's just a spray over, if it's glitter through and through, it is glitter through and through. It's gorgeous. They're easy to work with. I think these will be really helpful and fun for holiday coming up. And I love them so much. Also, you know, I am gonna play more with the new sequins from Marc Jacobs. They just came out with a bunch of stuff. I think I wanna do a sit down, kind of hot or not. They have some gel powder shadows, some new liners. They have a full collection of the pressed pigments. So let me know if you wanna see that. I'm happy to do it. And I think I need to go now before I put more glitter on my face, if that were possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and everything is shiny and glittery. I love it. I love knowing when there are new cool things out there that I have not seen before. It's exciting to see it. So I hope that this shared with you what was new and good and shiny, and let me know in the comments below what you loved the most, or if I missed anything out there that is new and glittery and fabulous that I need to get my hands on. Please do not hesitate to share that information with me because it's important to me that I know everything that is shiny and sparkly out there. All right, I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, take a moment to do so, and then take another moment and hit the bell because that would be awesome of you. That way you will be notified of my upcoming uploads. I am here Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. PST. I hope you come and hang out with me again, and thanks for hanging out with me today. All right, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.